Adding invitees to an event will alert those that receive the invite about the event. And if they accept the invitation, add the event to their calendar as well. I have a new event that I've added to my home calendar called Trivia Bingo. In invitees, I'm going to add Drew, who is saved in my contacts. You can also add an email address or phone number for people not saved as a contact. Once that's saved and the event added, over on Drew's iPhone, he will get an alert about the invite. In his calendar app, there's a message here in the inbox. Drew can view the details of the event, see who the invite is from, and then either accept, decline, or reply maybe to the invite. Let's accept it. And back on Warren's iPad, we can see that Drew accepted that invite. Tap the mail icon up here, and I can send Drew an email about the event if I wanted. Now let's invite Warren to an event from Drew's iPhone. I'll add an event called Night Ski on Drew's iPhone, then add Warren as an invitee. Over on the iPad, Warren will get an alert. The event is sort of penciled in on the calendar in gray and white stripes. I can accept or decline the invite from the event or from the inbox. If I decline, the event is removed from my calendar, and Drew will be alerted that I have declined. If I turn on Show Declined Events here in the calendar's list, I can see all the invites I've declined on the calendar. Tap on a declined event, and your reply can be changed if you become available. We can also do this from the Replied tab of the calendar inbox. If an event with invitees is removed or deleted, any that have accepted will be notified that the event has been canceled. Sending and replying to invites can be a great way to add coworkers, friends, or family to events.